No time.
Okay.
I just always wanted to say that.
10.5. Oh, there it is. 10.5. Page 727, right?
I was like,
Yeah.
oh, disrespect.
Okay. A little bit. So we got A, B, and the measure of A, right? So basically I'm looking at this measure A as being an obtuse angle, right? If it is a triangle, then this A is an obtuse one. This is 30, and B can be either side, it doesn't matter, but B is 3.5. So I want to see if that's possible, okay? And so how would I figure that out? And so in this case, I'm looking for the angle B, right? So I want sine of angle B on top this time, right? Okay? And I can keep the sine of angle A on the bottom. And that means that should equal B over A. Right? If we keep our proportions right?
Yeah.
Okay? And now since this is the one I don't have, right? Then I can multiply both sides by sine A. And I get sine B is equal to sine A times B, right? All over little a. Right? And then finally, B will equal the sine inverse of all this, of sine A times B over A.
Okay, stop. Right there. Let us write this down.
Okay? Just algebra. Right? So now I got to figure out a place on here that I can actually find a spot for the numbers. Right? So maybe up here. Sine B I don't have. And this is where I'm going to. So actually I don't even need a sine B. I just need to come up with B is equal to the sine inverse of, what's sine A?
1/2.
No?
Wait, what?
Sine of 118.
I like
Right? And then that's multiplied, that whole sine is multiplied by B, which is 3.5. And then divided by A, which is 30. Okay? And so I got to plug that into my calculator just right. Now, sometimes,
Let's say 118 times 3.5?
yeah. Now, could I take 3.5 divided by 30 and multiply it by sine 18? Isn't that the same thing?
Yeah.
Right? And then that way in my calculator it's a little easier to deal with. So 3.5 divided by 30 equals times sine 18, or 118, sorry, sine 118 equals, okay? And now I take the inverse sine of that,
Yeah,
right? And the inverse sine of that, of the answer,
Oh, second key.
yeah. So I'm getting 5.9
Is that the right answer?
as B. It wasn't supposed to come up.
The way that he said it.
5.9.
Like he's not sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't really want to write it down if you're not sure.
I'm not sure either.
You ever read over these things before you give it to us?
Oh, I forgot the inverse.
Oh, shit. Damn, we got a minute.
Got a minute?
Oh!
Oh, I see. Hold on. So 5.9, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the problem with that being a side?
Wait, what?
What's the problem with that being a side? It's too small. You got 5.9 and 3.5. How is that going to create a 30 length?
It's not.
It's not. It's impossible. So there's no triangles possible. There you go.